One simple way to increase your sales and your reviews at the same time is using blogs or forums. So many people are asleep on blogs and forums such as Reddit's or top 10 product reviews, so on and so forth, because they don't know about it. A lot of people just aren't talking about it. But actually, some of the most highly targeted, relevant customers and best reviews that I've ever gotten have been from forums and blogs. Simply, all you want to do is create an account or find a contributor to an account, and you can do so on Fiverr, you can do so on Upwork, you can even just Google Reddit contributor or top 10 electronic review blog site and find the blog site or find the forum and then find out who the contributor is. Usually they have an email or a phone number or something like that on the blog or the forum because they want to sell positions. Too many times is it actually organic where they just write it just to write it. Usually it's going to be one of two things. Number one, they're selling positions or slots, or number two, they're doing affiliate marketing. And by you getting on that list, what's going to happen is they're going to put an affiliate link to Amazon for your product, and if your product sells, they can get some commission, right? So there's all different types of ways that you can do this through different blogs, different forums. You can even use Medium. There's tons of them out there that are free to use, free to sign up for, and you can actually find contributors in your niche who are going to do this for free or for next to nothing. All you got to do is put the research in. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.